Hello everyone, this is Bhupendra Singh from Symmetrics Microelectronics, and today's videos is about how to make a step down 5 volt power supply. So here we go. So first of all we discuss about the required component to design it. First one is battery, second one is diode, third one is capacitor, then regulator 7805, then resistor, and then LED. So come again to the battery power source. We need 9 volt or 12 volt. Next one is diode 1N477. Third one is capacitor 25 volt, 35 volt or 50 volt, 1000 microfarad or 100 microfarad, whatever available. And after that 7805 regulator to step down the power. Resistor 330 ohm to 1K can work, and LED to indicate the power source. We will design it in a Proteus simulator software. We can download it from its official website labcenter.com/simulator. You can download it free for trial, and also you can buy it. It's really amazing software to work. This is the complete circuit diagram to design the 5 volt step down power supply. Link is available in the description to download the circuit diagram and list of components. As you can see, I have opened the Proteus software. We need to add the required component in the sheet. So I click on the pick from library and search 12 volt battery DC power source and click on OK. N477 diode, then capacitor, then 7805 regulator, resistance, and LED. Here is a 4 type of LED in simulator. I choose the yellow one. All the required component has been added to the list. Now click on battery and drop it in sheet. We need to zoom the sheet for better vision. Now add diode, capacitor to sheet. Now connect battery positive pin to diode positive pin and negative pin to capacitor's positive pin. Battery negative terminal to capacitor's negative pin. Now add 7805 regulators, 7805 input pin to capacitor's positive pin and a negative pin to 7805's ground pin. Now add resistor and LED to the sheet. Connect 7805 output pin to one side of resistor and another side to LED's positive pin. As you see, resistor value is 10 ohm, so we need to reduce the resistance to 330 ohm. Now attach LED's negative pin to 7805's ground pin. Now your circuit is ready. All the components has been connected in a proper manner. Now we need to simulate it. Great, your circuit is running fine. Now we need to check the output voltage. Just we stop the simulation, click on the virtual instruments and select DC voltmeter. Connect the DC voltmeter to the output power supply. And as you see, we got the required 5 volt. Thanks for watching.